So in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can link your Cloud account with your Figma account, so you can simply add it or manage your Cloud designs into the Figma. So let me show you. I'm using the free version of both the websites. So you can see I'm using the free plan of Cloud, and also I'm using the free version of Figma. So to connect them, click on your profile and then go to the settings, and from here in the customize section you will click on connectors, and from here click on add and then go to the browse connectors. So from here you can simply search for Figma, or you can simply browse and find it by yourself, or I'm going to search for Figma. You can see here is the Figma and it is the official application of Figma. So I will click on this, and then here connect to cloud, I will click on this button and connecting to Figma. So now scroll down and click on agree and allow access. So it will start connecting our cloud account with our Figma. So you can see our Figma account is now connected with our cloud account, and here is connected is written as well. Or if I go to directory, you can simply search for Figma from here, and you can see it is showing the green tick here as well. So now if I want to use it, I will simply click on this plus icon in the new chat of the cloud, and then on connector make sure your Figma is enabled. So from here I will ask cloud to create any design, so I can edit it into the Figma. Create a beautiful, and now I will click on enter, and it will start creating. It asked me about the kind of the website, but I will skip it and skip it as well, and I will uh, allow cloud to create any kind of design. You might need to use a detailed prompt for it, but the purpose of this video is just to show you how you can connect these websites and use them. So I'm going to use a simple prompt, and I'm not going to complicate things from here. So let's wait until it creates this design. So it has created this design. The video recording was stopped. I don't know the reason. So let me show you what happened after the video was stopped, after the recording was stopped. So I asked Cloud to create a website design so I can edit it into the Figma. So it has created this website design. So it didn't share any kind of uh, direct editable button, so I can click on it and directly jump into the Figma. So I asked it to open it into the Figma, and it asked me to share the link of the project, so it can simply inject this file into that project. So let me get back to the files and show you what happened. So I simply return to the Figma, copy this link from here, and then paste it on the cloud. So it asked me for few permissions. I grant them, and it inject this file into that file of the Figma. So you can see if I open this Figma file, so you can see in the previous video I show you how you can create a design using ChatGPT. So it is that one, and here it is this one. It is the one the cloud created. So you can see it has automatically injected that file, injected it into our cloud file. So now if I want to make changes to it, I can simply do it from here. If I want to make changes to any sort of text, I can simply do it from here. If I want to change anything, if I want to change the color of this button, I can simply do it from here. And yes, in this way you can connect your cloud account with your Figma account and make any kind of changes. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. And if you're watching it on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, make sure to follow the profile. Thank you very much.